Don't make the same mistake I did. 20 years ago when I started teaching, 2004, Facebook was just coming on to the scene. And I didn't jump on that opportunity. I didn't get onto Facebook. Only a couple of years ago, actually, is when I got onto Facebook. And the whole reason why I didn't get on Facebook was over fear of students finding me on Facebook and seeing what I was doing, because of course I come from a generation of not having your life out there on social media on the internet. So it was only a couple years ago that I got onto Facebook, and I missed out on a ton of time of how to use the platform and being able to navigate it with essentially my eyes closed. So don't make the same mistake I did 20 years ago. AI is kind of that new fear that people have. Don't be afraid of it. Embrace it. And on May 27th, I've got just a thing for you. AI Partner and Profit. This will allow you to learn how to use AI ethically and not fear it, and how it can help you make your life just a little bit easier in certain areas. It's not a magic pill by any means, but it will help you free up some time to enjoy the things you do in life. So May 27th, AI Partner and Profit. Stay tuned.